How to sign out your Gmail account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out your Gmail account from other devices. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To sign out Gmail account from other devices, what you have to do is first of all, launch the Gmail application. Tap on your profile from the top right and go to Manage your Google account. From Manage your Google account, you want to go to the option Your Devices and tap on it. And here, you will see a list of devices that has access to your Gmail account. So if you want to remove one of these sessions, select that particular session or the device. If it asks you for a biometric verification, make sure you verified that as well. And after you've done that, on the next page, you will see this option. And here you can see the sign out button. So of course, just tap the sign out button. It will ask you for a confirmation. So tap the sign out button to sign out your Gmail account from these devices. This way you can sign out Gmail account from other devices. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.